Welcome to the Introduction to Pile Driving. In this simulation, you will develop a basic understanding of the pile driving process. Use the grip button to point at and select the personal protection equipment you will need for this exercise. Looks like there are some containers in our lift zone. Go ahead and clear those away. Look all around you and identify key parts of the pile driving process. Great job. Now that we know what we're working with, let's get into the crane so we can start moving this stuff around. See if you can get this crane started by turning that key. Let's make sure this crane is operationally sound. Use that joystick highlighted in front of you to move the hook left, right, forward, and back. Now, move that lever in front of you. Looks like the crane hook is in good shape. See if you can attach it to the concrete pile laying down in the lift zone. With the hook attached, lift the pile up and move it over to the highlighted fall spot. Bring that hook back over and attach it to the hammer sitting upright in the lift zone. Position this hammer over the pile just placed in the fall spot. Using that knob highlighted in front of you, engage the hammer and watch that pile get driven into place. Great work. Turn off the crane when you're ready to restart this simulation.